Namecheap here. I will teach you how to search for your domain name. As you can see on the screen, search for your domain name. Supposing I want to host a website for myself, SundayTrueLove blog. I want to know if sundaytruelove.com is free or if someone is already using it. Remember, as I said earlier, every web address is only one. It can be two, it can be 1.5, just one. Once it's being used by another person, the World Wide Web will tell you that it's already in use, so you can look for a better option. So sundaytruelove.com, I'll search. Let's see if sundaytruelove.com is free. Remember, when I search in Domain King, they showed us that it is free, and .com.ng is also free, so it's correct. sundaytruelove.com is free. So you simply add to cart. You want to purchase the domain sundaytruelove.com. You simply add to cart. All these things, you have to ignore them, at least for now, and go to checkout. But here I'm seeing 2 items. Let me see if I have another item I added to cart previously. Okay, I've already added sundaytruelove.com to cart before. Okay, I have academybankusa.com in my cart. I have sundaytruelove.com in my cart as well. So are the 2 items I have in my cart. But what will happen from this point onwards is that since I don't really want to buy sundaytruelove.com, I'll remove it from my cart. But I want to purchase academybankusa.com, and I want to do the purchase now, because a client of mine wants me to design a website for them with this domain name, academybankusa.com. So I click confirm order, and the subtotal I'm seeing there is $9.06. So I'm going to be paying $9.06 for that domain, and $9.06 is around 3,000 something. It's around 3,000 something, around 3.4 or 3.5. So I simply put the name on my card. The name of my card is Ebereja Sunday. Remember, you either use a MasterCard or you use a Visa card. Then I put my card number. I put my card number. Put my card number. Then I put the month of expiration, January 2023. The CVC is the 3 numbers at the back. The 3 numbers at the back of your card, that is CVC. Then I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue. So it will bring the summary of what I'm buying. Domain academybankusa.com. Subtotal of $9.06 USD. I'll click on pay now. So the purchase have been made and I have received a debit alert to that effect. I'll simply download my receipts. So the actual amount I was debited was 3,587 naira. And this is the receipt I used in paying to Namecheap for that domain for 1 year plan, which is a total sum of $909.06. So this is the receipt. So I will go back to my dashboard. I'll go back to my dashboard to check my new domain. I'll go back to my dashboard to check my new domain. So this is my new domain and it is active. Status is active. So I can now click on manage. So this is my domain. This is my domain. So I'll go to my cPanel, my control panel. This is my control panel. Although the page did not load well, because initially I used a VPN. I usually use a VPN since the Namecheap website I'm using to host, or the Namecheap hosting service I'm using, is a US based website, is a US based hosting plan. I usually use a VPN to change my location to United States. So I'll simply look for my VPN. I use Proton VPN. So I am not saying you should use a VPN, but I use a VPN for some reasons. So I'd have to open my VPN and connect to United States. Then I will come and reload my control panel. See, the control panel is a very sensitive area. Anybody that has access to your control panel, you see I've been logged out. I've been waiting for this to happen. I've been logged out. I will be expected to put my username and password again before I will get into that control panel. The reason is because the IP address I've been using to access this control panel is different from the one I'm using now. So they will definitely log me out because they will suspect a security threat. Very, very important. Always bear this in mind. So I'll close this page. I'll go back and make sure that, okay, I'll connect to my VPN. I'll go to connect to United States. Connecting to United States. It is connected. I'll go back and load my control panel this time around. more step. Please complete security check. Okay. I should complete a security check. Please click each image containing a motorcycle. Image containing motorcycle. I've clicked the images that contain motorcycle. I'll press next. Motorcycle, motorcycle, this motorcycle, this motorcycle. And check. Good. So I'll be redirected to my control panel right away. Good. This is how my control panel is expected to load. This is how my control panel is expected to load. All the icons will load perfectly well. I'll go to Soft Calculus Apps Installer. Remember, I've purchased the domain name academybankusa.com. But here, the only domain I'm seeing here is expressdn.com, which is a website I constructed for a client about a month ago using this same hosting plan, expressdn.com. So it invariably means that that domain that I purchased, which is academybankusa.com, has not been activated with the name servers.